In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to sign up and create a HubSpot account. If you've been curious about HubSpot, a robust platform that offers a variety of tools to help manage your business more effectively, this is the perfect place to start. The process is super simple, and I'll guide you through it step by step, so let's dive right in. First, you'll want to open your preferred web browser and navigate to HubSpot's homepage. You can do this by entering HubSpot.com into your address bar. Once you're on the homepage, you'll notice a user-friendly interface designed to cater to your business needs, with plenty of information about the services HubSpot offers. But for now, our focus will be on creating your new account. Next, look for the Create Your Free Account button. It should be prominently displayed on the homepage. This button is your gateway to setting up your HubSpot account without any upfront costs, which is fantastic for trying out the platform to see if it suits your business's needs. Now, once you've clicked on that, you'll be presented with a few options for how you can create your account. HubSpot offers flexibility here by allowing you to sign up using existing accounts from Google, Microsoft, or Apple. This is incredibly convenient, as using a pre-existing account helps streamline the sign-up process by sharing your information securely. Let's say you choose to continue with Google. Simply click on the Continue with Google button. You'll then be asked to sign into your Google account if you're not already. Once you've successfully logged in, you might be prompted to grant HubSpot access to certain information, like your email address and basic profile info. Don't worry, this is a standard practice to ensure that your account is verified and protected. Alternatively, if you decide that Microsoft is your go-to, just click on Sign Up with Microsoft. Similarly, you'll follow the on-screen prompts to either log in or select the relevant Microsoft account you wish to use. This choice might be ideal for those already deeply integrated into the Microsoft ecosystem. Finally, for the Apple users out there, HubSpot hasn't left you behind. Click on the Sign Up with Apple button. Just as with the other options, you'll need to log into your Apple account and may have to authenticate your identity for security purposes. Apple's sign-up process is widely regarded for its focus on user privacy, so rest assured your information will be securely handled. And there you have it. In just a few minutes, you've successfully set up your new HubSpot account, ready to explore its vast array of tools and features. Whether you opted to create your account via Google, Microsoft, or Apple, HubSpot will now begin tailoring your experience based on your selections, helping you manage your business more efficiently. I hope you found this guide helpful, and you're now ready to tap into the power of HubSpot. Thanks for watching, and enjoy exploring your new account.